In this video, we are going to see a poem, Patriotism. Before that, let me explain what is patriotism. Patriotism means showing great love and support for our country. Yes, we are giving respect to our nation, national symbols and national anthem, isn't it? So these also coming under patriotism. Okay. Before going to the poem, let us see some hard words and their meanings. Boundaries, a dividing line. Core, value system. Foreign, distant. Integrity, state of being wholesome. Proud, feeling honored. Let us move to the poem now, Patriotism. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike or will we show our dislike? Will we live in a country without any inner boundaries? We are all living in one country, but we have boundaries like different religions, caste or languages. Will we treat each and every citizen same or will we hate them? The poet is asking these two questions. Will we stick to our core in or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation divided when seen as persons. Will we following our value system which belongs to our country? Yes, our country has more value system. So, are we following all the value system or will we be distance from them? Without following that value system, are we staying away? Yes, we love our beautiful nation if we see our people as just persons will be divided. So we have to think our people as a nation. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Yes, we all have different languages like Tamil, Hindi, Telugu and etc. Even though we are in unity, that unity should not damage. We have to be together as Indians. Will we make our motherland proud or be with her like the crowd? So just like that in the crowd without doing anything for the nation, we have to be like that or we have to make our motherland proud. Yes, we have to make our motherland proud. Learn how to be kind and love each of our child. We have to learn how to be kind by helping others and showing mercy and spread love to each and every people in our country. Yes, we have to be kind to all the people and love each and every people in our country. So children, we should not hurt others by pointing out their caste, religion or language. We have to think we all are Indians and we have to make our motherland proud by being together and working for our nation. Jai Hind.